Hello, in this part we are going to take a look at direct memory addressing. Okay, so when operands are specified in memory addressing mode, direct access to main memory, usually to the data segment, is required. And this way of addressing results in slower processing of data. And to locate the exact location of data in memory, we need the segment start address. Okay, which is typically found in the VS register and an offset value. Okay, so this offset value is also called the effective address. Okay, so in direct addressing mode, the offset value is specified directly as part of the instruction, usually indicated by the variable name. Okay, and the assembler calculates the offset value and maintains a symbol table, okay, which stores the offset values of all the variables used in the program. Okay, so in direct memory addressing, one of the operands refers to a memory location, and the other operand references a register. Okay, so let's take a look at this example right here. So if we have and, let's use upper cases, and then we can have here, like for example, a byte value, and then you can have DL. Okay, so this one here adds the register in the memory location. Okay, so here we are adding a register, in the memory location. Okay, the memory location, like that. Okay, so from there, what if we had move bx, and then we are moving a word value, for example. Okay, a word value into bx. Okay, so here operand from the memory is added to the register. Okay, like that. So here we are moving here our operand, which is from the memory, the word value which is from the memory, here is added in the register bx. Okay, like that. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at the direct offset addressing.